Okay, so find missing figures, use your margin and markup. Example number 2, sales are 500,000, margin 20%, opening and closing inventory given. What is your purchase figure is missing? Okay, we will use a trading account mini income statement. 2-column income statement. I'll start with sales. Our sales is 500,000. Less cost of sales. In the cost of sales, we start with opening inventory plus purchase. Opening inventory is 45,000 plus purchase figure is not given. That's what we're looking for. And what is given is closing inventory here, 55,000. So clo INV, please do write full into the exam hole when you write your paper. In deduct, what you're supposed to get is your cost of sales. And from sales, you deduct cost of sales is supposed to get your gross profit, not the general practitioner. Okay, now margin 20%. So if you do 20% of your sales, you get 100,000. That's your gross profit. So if your gross profit is 100,000, 500 minus 100,000, 400,000 you're left with. One more zero. Okay, now you're going to work backwards. You got 400,000. You're going to work backwards. This minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. You found your credit purchase or purchase for the year. The calculation is 410,000. You can work from 45,000 plus 410 minus 55. You still get 400,000.